Hi, welcome to SBL Foods. I'm Mukta Nagaraj showing you Puri. This is another version of Puri. I'm using Sooji. For the Rava Pooris, I'm taking 1 bowl of rava. To this, I'm adding salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of oil, here in Rava Poori, the dough has to really settle down for at least an hour. So to begin, first mix the dough and keep it ready. As I have told you earlier also, the puri dough has to be very tight. Here even you can add a bit of maida to it, but I prefer using only semolina. For rava puris, more kneading is required. You can knead this even after the resting time. I shall cover this and keep for resting for some time. The dough is rested for an hour. I'll just knead some more. I'm making this into equal portions. While I'm rolling the puris, I'll make sure the oil is hot. The hot puris are ready to serve. Hot puris with a nice gravy, yummy to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.